You can now use your smartphone to see who's at your door with the help of these video doorbells featured in this video. Let's take a look. GBF IP bags the 5th position. The GBF Wi-Fi IP video doorbell supports two-way voice communication and remote door release functions. You can watch, hear, and speak to the person at your door with your smartphone or tablet. Snap a picture or record a video stream directly to your device at any time, anywhere. No matter where you are and what you're doing, you can always monitor your front yard and control your door security. At number 4, we have the ViewBell NI4011. ViewBell is a Wi-Fi enabled compact design video intercom system that meets users' different needs. With ViewBell products at the door and connected with smart devices, users can see, hear, and speak to visitors at the door even if you're not home. It has a wide power source configuration for both AC and DC power supplies without any fixed voltages or polarity issues. The third product on this list is the Skybell HD. Skybell HD is a high-definition, patented video doorbell that's connected to your home Wi-Fi and lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors at your door by simply using your smartphone or tablet with a 1080p camera, full-color night vision, a motion sensor, and live alerts. Skybell HD will conveniently give you a peace of mind when answering the door without compromising your safety. The Z-Moto Greet bags the 2nd position. The Z-Moto Greet doorbell is the latest in smart technology and allows you to receive a call right on your smartphone when someone rings your doorbell. Tell the delivery man to drop off the package, ward off burglars, and greet friends no matter where you are. The video camera lets you see who's at the door with a built-in speaker that lets you talk to them directly. The best product on this list is the Ring Pro. With 1080 HD video, custom motion zones, and an ultra-slim design, the Ring Pro Video Doorbell is our most advanced doorbell yet. Ring Video Doorbell Pro sends you instant mobile alerts when anyone presses your doorbell or triggers the built-in motion sensor. When you answer the alert, you can see, hear, and speak to visitors from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. With customizable motion zones, Ring Pro lets you focus on the most important areas of your home. We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.